Sunday night. Cartagena. Cartagena de Indias.
It'd be better if we had that little, you know, vest thing. It's not a vest, it's just like a belt, and then you're able to put the little.
Oh, I need to go to that teeth whitening tomorrow. In the morning. Right now we're on the beach side. Beautiful. Damn, that shit got a system and everything. They're getting super lit. Okay. We used to dagger to that song. You notice everybody's walking that way? There's not down that way though either.
Vamos a hacer es dos tiritas para cada uno con mucho cariño, mi gente. Y esto que dice.
That's where you want to eat in the morning? Crepes and waffles, that's an ice cream shop, Tyler. I guess. Oh no, this is the restaurant side right here, I guess. No, other side is the ice cream shop. We go to McDonald's again.
I think we can download that.
Call it the Double Tasty. Ahí venden postre. Y adentro la comida. So that's how they do it. They got the pastries on one side and the food on the other. It was Burger King. 2 por 15 mil. It's like the 2 for $5, I think, that they have. I don't eat Burger King, but I think I've seen the 2 for $5 before.
But we don't try it before. I want to try McDonald's.
I'm not trying it.
Huh?
Y'all can try it. Everybody out here got the tents all the way around. Most of them are 5% all the way around, even in the windshield. See, this one got 5% all the way around. You can't see shit inside the car.
We keep going to the right.
We keep going to the right what? To the left is the beach.
No, the right too.
Oh yeah, the other side.
And I keep tapping you. I was on the other side.
You tell my man.
Because you came over.
No.
That's your fault.
Because you're like this, Tyler.
That's your
Look at the
fault.
2 little
Like
people in the
this,
back.
I'm like this.
Why are they so small?
And you're like, yeah.
2 little people in the back. Everybody be getting quiet when they see the camera. Oh, that's a camera? We're in China now. Pero ¿por qué toda la gente está caminando para allá? Everybody's walking in the, you know, the opposite direction as us. But they're walking away from old downtown though. The old Cartagena. Eso cabrón. They call these a mouth top or mouth cover. Tapa boca. Looks like a purely woman's store. They got the Colombian Fanta, ginger ale. Bro, they got some of the best ginger ale. The ginger ale be tasting bomb. And this Sprite. Does not taste like American Sprite at all. That American shit, mad sugar in it. If you want, it'll be good. Here are the chips they got. Cheetos, horneado.
What is that?
Cheese, maximum. Chicken chips.
That tastes like
Yeah, he had that
tastes like
earlier.
cat food.
Yeah, it did. It did taste like cat food. I ain't gonna lie. This setup is like a CVS. Now we're headed to the historical downtown where they have the clock tower. We walked all the way from our place to here. About 25 minutes, I think. It's the bus terminal, bus station. They got the bus stations on the side. The bus comes and scoops you. Estamos en Cartagena. You got the yachts and everything on the right side. You got the other side of the city. This is the opposite side of where we stay. Over there. The yacht side. For real. It's an old school boat right here. All black. Y'all probably can't see it yet. See, that's what I was talking about with all the lights. It looks like the Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower lights up like that. It's the water part. It's nice. Michelle, you trying to go swimming? Come on, let's go swimming. Let's go swimming, baby.
I'm not dirty.
Imagine that. Imagine jumping in that water. Here goes the vendors.
Oh, now we're coming to vendor town.
They just got off the boat. That boat looked dope though. Look. But look at it. That's nice.
Everything's sparkling.
There's quite a bit of lights around here.
Look up there.
They got a club up there. That club jumping too. That's where all the music's coming from. Don't be drunk walking around here. You're drunk is over. Let's see what it's about. It's a lot of people out. No gracias. No gracias, no gracias. No, no, estamos bien. They got Spider-Man at the front door, my nigga. Nuestra. Looks like, yeah, he'll be alright. Probably his car right here. Look at the little whip. We got a little one-seater. I guess everybody just comes down here and just chills. Clubs over there, clubs up there, a club up here. You can't see where the music is at. It's constant wind out here, so it's not that bad. Even during the day, it was hot, but it wasn't that bad because it was a lot of wind blowing. I feel like it was hotter in Santa Marta, right? Because of the wind, not blowing.
They had that gate.
Yeah, and the gate was in front of the beach. That's probably why too, y'all. iPhone 12, 133,000 if y'all want it. I think that's a month. Look, everybody got their windows tinted. Tinted out. Tinted out. It's crazy. It's bumping in here. It's a club. I wonder where the This is a Sunday night. This is a Sunday night. They're a little hip to the music, a little updated. See the booty cheeks? It's for sale, Tyler. Bruh. $80,000 pesos. 20 to 25 minutes.
How many minutes?
I think that'll just bring attention.
Yeah.
Te cuento toda la historia.
Okay.
This is-
Estamos bien, gracias.
Mira, te voy a hacer.
You wanna go?
I mean, don't match me.
Yeah, come on, let's go. Tyler don't want the attention. We'll be on the move. 60 para 3. Everybody out here with yeah, snatching shit.
Hello, where you from?
United States.
United States. Oh, welcome.
Check it out.
My name is David.
David.
Yes, I am from Venezuela.
60.
How you got time?
I was like, I was trying to stay
¿Hablan
discreet.
español?
Hablamos español.
Okay.
Patrón, tú eres el Lebron.
Está bien.
Escucha la improvisación. Tú eres el líder que no tiene adversario. Patrón, tú eres el multimillonario. ¿Cómo te reís directo para acá y algo relajado? Patrón, jefe, que mi Dios te me bendiga y que en casa abunde mucho la comida. Pero mi patrón, no te quiero incomodar. Jefe, es que yo sé trabajar. Él se los Puma, se los Villazuna. El padrón tira más plata que Maluma. Él está cruzado, lo hago relajado. No te canto para tú eres el nombre clave.
Damos un minuto para hacer algo aquí en la tienda.
Mm-hmm.